Debunking the 10% brain myth. You've probably heard it before. Humans only use 10% of their brains. It's one of those fun facts that pops up in movies, motivational speeches, and even outdated science books. It sounds exciting, like we all have a hidden superpower waiting to be unlocked. But is there any truth to this claim, or is it just a myth that refuses to die? This idea likely originated in the early 20th century when scientists didn't fully understand brain function. Psychologist William James once suggested that people don't reach their full mental potential, which may have been misinterpreted as not using most of the brain. Over time, this idea snowballed, helped by self-help gurus and Hollywood movies, where characters suddenly gain superhuman intelligence by activating the rest of their brain. But here's the truth. We use 100% of our brains, just not all at once. The brain is a power-hungry organ, consuming about 20% of the body's energy, despite making up only 2% of body weight. Modern brain imaging techniques like fMRI, functional magnetic resonance imaging, show that even during simple activities, walking, talking, or even daydreaming, multiple areas of the brain light up. Each part has a job to do. Frontal lobe, decision-making, problem-solving, personality. Parietal lobe, spatial awareness, sensory processing. Occipital lobe, vision processing. Temporal lobe, memory, speech, hearing. Cerebellum, coordination and balance. Brainstem, vital functions like breathing and heartbeat. Even when you're asleep, your brain is far from inactive. It's busy sorting memories, regulating bodily functions, and keeping you alive. If we only used 10% of it, we'd barely be able to function, let alone think, move, or survive. So why does this myth persist? It plays into our fascination with untapped potential. It makes people wonder, what if we could unlock more of our minds? While we can improve our cognitive abilities through learning and practice, it's not because 90% of our brain is sitting there doing nothing. It's about using what we already have more effectively. The verdict? This myth is completely false. Every part of your brain has a role, and science has proven we use all of it, just in different ways at different times. If this fact just rewired your thinking, don't keep it to yourself. Smash that like button, share this with your friends, and subscribe for more myth-busting fun. Let's keep those brains fully engaged. No 10% nonsense here.